Hello and welcome back to another video on Unpacked Technologies. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to delete the old Xcode Developer Files from your macOS device. Following this process will allow you to delete the files that have accumulated over time as a process of your Xcode developments. So let's get straight into it. Alright, so this is a pretty simple process here. So what I'm going to do is start by opening up System Settings. And then once you're in System Settings, what you need to do is go to General and then click on Storage. And then just let it load for a moment. So what you'll see here is when you scroll down, you'll see that there's an option for Developer. So it'll take a moment to calculate. And you can see here on this MacBook Pro, Developer is taking up 18.5 gigabytes. Now this can range from really high to really low depending on how much developing you've done on your device. I've already cleared out a lot of files on this, but I've kept a few just so I can show for this demonstration today because it can take up a lot of storage. So to clear out some of these files, what you need to do is go to the little I and click that, and then it will open up and show you more details. So it says here, Developer 18.5 gigabytes. Remove project build caches and unused SDKs to free up storage space. So what you can see here is there's often like a cache file. I did delete that because that was taking up a lot of storage, but you can see we've got project build data and indexes taking up 1.24 gigabytes. And then there's a lot of storage taken up by iOS device support. So you can see for the iPhone 12.1, iOS 16.6.1, for the 13.2, iOS 16.0.2, and for the 12.1, we've got 17.6.1. Now, each of these are taking up a decent amount of storage, with ranging from 4 to 6.77 gigabytes respectively. So you can see that you can create a lot of storage doing this. So let's say that I no longer need this old build for the iPhone 12, I believe that is, with iOS 16.0.2. I can select it and then click delete and free up 6.49 gigabytes from my Mac. Now this is a really great way to clear off old files that you don't need to gain back a lot more storage on your Mac. And oftentimes you don't realize, but the Xcode development can take up a lot of storage. So it's really worth going in here and having a look at what's here and making sure that there's nothing that's unnecessary anymore. And if there is unnecessary files, you can just delete them, because oftentimes, like if you don't have a phone that's running iOS 16.0.2 anymore, you can just delete that because you probably don't need the developments for that particular operating system anymore. So really worth going in here and checking it out, as it can make up a lot of storage, because for me personally, I always seem to find that I'm running out of storage on my Mac. So this is a great way to clear up some data. It's also fairly safe to delete things like the iOS device support, as many of these can be re-downloaded in the future if you need them for any particular reason. Do this with caution though. I am not responsible for any data lost in this process, so maybe do a bit of research based on your particular project if you're going to be deleting the cache files or the build data. But definitely the iOS device support should be fairly safe in deleting that, because you can always reinstall it in the future. But again, just do your research before you delete these, because I'm not responsible for any data lost. And with that, that's pretty much it on how to delete the developer files from your macOS device. Hopefully this video was helpful. It's been a great success in clearing up some storage space on your Mac to allow for more effective development in the future. And be sure to let me know in the comments below if there's any other videos you'd like me to make, because I'm more than happy to make those if you'd like to see them. And with that, thanks for watching this video on Unpacked Technologies. Don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video.